Hello students, now you are learning 5th unit Indian villages. Now you are going to learn remaining part of this, that is problems in villages. Here about 68% of the Indian population lives in villages. People living in villages face many problems such as scarcity of drinking water, unhygienic conditions, poor means of transportation, shortage of electricity, etc. The Gram Panchayat tries to solve these issues and improve the life of the people by providing them better facilities. Here, those who are living in village, they are facing many problems. What are the problems in villages? You can see here about 68% of Indian population throughout our country. 68% of our Indian population lives in villages, means most of the people living here in only villages. Then people living in villages face many problems, and the people living in villages, they are facing some problems like such as scarcity means insufficiency of drinking water. There is a lack of water. They will not get that much more water, drinking water, clean water, isn't it? They face, you may know that some in the villages, they are often weekly or 10 days, one day they living water through taps, isn't it? So there is water they facing. This is a basic need of villagers. There is scarcity of drinking water. Then unhygienic conditions. Unhygienic means unclean. You can observe that some areas, there were a lot of dirty places covered, some people throwing all waste things and dirty things in the open grounds, no, isn't it? So it looks how unhygienic means unclean conditions also you can see in villages. And poor means of transportation. Poor means of transportation means there is no vehicles like auto rickshaw, buses. There is no facility to the village people. They can go one village to another village, one village to town, city. So it is very poor. Only one morning and evening, only two vehicles will come, otherwise there is no any other transportations. So there is a lack of transportation and shortage of electricity, and also there is no that much electricity they can get. In night time often they cut the electricity, so it is very difficult to do the work, isn't it? For example, for students, the to learning, to do the homework, writing, reading, some other people to cooking, to do other works. So many works are there, but if they cut the electricity, all work will be stopped. So there is a shortage of electricity, so etc. So like this, in villages the people suffering from a lack of some problems. Then the Gram Panchayat tries to solve these issues and improve the life of people by providing them better facilities. But here the Gram Panchayat should try and also they should solve these issues, means problems. The Gram Panchayat should solve the problems of the village people, and also they should improve the life of people by providing them better facilities, whatever they about drinking water, electricity, about schools, health centers. So like this, these all are, and roads, proper roads, about poor means of transportation. So these all those things, all facilities should they provide by the Gram Panchayat, isn't it? So like this, some people, the village people suffering from uh, problems in villages, isn't it? This is about problems in villages. Next, Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat, here every village in our country has a Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat consists of members who are elected by the Gram Sabha. Every person in the village who is 18 years of age or above can vote in the panchayat elections. Here, every every village in our country has a gram panchayat. Every village in our country there is gram panchayat is there. You can observe, you can see. A gram panchayat consists what? The members who are elected by gram sabha. So there is in gram panchayat there is a consists of members, means they are elected by gram sabha, and every person at the age of 18 who is 18 years of age or above 18, they can vote in panchayat elections. When they are able to give to vote in panchayat elections, they can choose their representative, their good workers, leaders, isn't it? For example, you can see in this here picture given about a body of Gram Panchayat. So see, this is a Gram Panchayat. Under this Gram Panchayat, who will come here? First of all, see Sarpanch. Sarpanch means here he is the head of the Panchayat, president of the Gram Panchayat. That is Sarpanch also you can see. And also there is Panchayat members. The Panchayat members also elected but Gram Panchayat, and also there is elected representatives, some other leaders also you can see. Then community based organization. Community based means they are a group of people, they are living a particular place, that is community based organizations also you can see comes under the Gram Panchayat. And also you can see the villagers Gram Sabha. That Gram village in that you can see some youths, you can see some poor people, women, men, elder people also you can see. And tribals means it is a division of a particular people, a social division, they are living a particular place, so such people also they comes under this villages. So these all are what? Body of Gram Panchayat. So this body of Gram Panchayat should provide the better facilities to the village. Next, you learn about the local governing body in a village is known as the Gram Panchayat. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch or Pradhan. He or she is elected by the members of the Gram Panchayat. Every Panchayat must have at least one woman among its elected members. Nowadays, 1/3 of the Panchayat members are women. Here about local governing body. Governing means administrate. They should take care of that village. So that is what we can say Gram Panchayat, the local governing body. Already showed that body Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, the body of Gram Panchayat, they should take care of that village. So is known as the Gram Panchayat. Then the head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch. Sarpanch means who? The head of the Gram Panchayat. So and also you can say that is Pradhan, Sarpanch or Pradhan, and also you can say president of the Gram Panchayat. So here he or she is elected by the members of the Gram Panchayat. Either he or she, either men or women, elected by the members. That Gram Panchayat, that Sarpanch should elected by members of the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat members could elect that Gram Sarpanch or Pradhan, isn't it? And every Panchayat must have at least one woman among its elected members. In that there is one woman should be there. In that woman should be a member of Gram Panchayat. But nowadays 1/3 of Panchayat members are women, right? Nowadays you can see here there women also there is a member of Gram Panchayat. We can choose, we can reserve that person, isn't it? But here, the every village panchayat is divided into wards, that is smaller areas. Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member, as a panch. Member also can say as a panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch, who is the panchayat president. The ward panches and the sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. So here the Gram Panchayat elected for 5 years. After 5 years, they are the member of the Gram Panchayat and member of the sarpanch or president of the Gram Panchayat, isn't it? But here, and they are also discuss about that they will conduct meetings about good facilities for villages. Like this, you can see this picture, the Gram Panchayat meetings. They will discuss about the facilities of the village people, isn't it? About the Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat president, who is also called Sarpanch, isn't it? And the members of the Panchayat, the Panch's member or punch is the same, and presenting a plan or repairing the roads that connects the village to the main highway, or about they will discuss about roads, repairing roads and connecting one village to another village, about basic needs of the village, about safe drinking water, unhygienic conditions and electricities and healthcare centers. So like this, about this, uh, after this the discussion moves to the that subject. They will discuss like this, and after that they will provide the better facilities to the village people, isn't it? This is about what Gram Panchayat. Remaining part I shall continue in next video. Thank you.